This video is about a new milestone that we achieved, and that's 500 subscribers. Yes, as you can see on my screen, and I also checked that we have crossed 5,000 views. Thank you so much, everybody who subscribed to our channel, who watched our videos. Thank you so much. With your support, it was not possible. This support is really, really very encouraging. You must be wondering how long back I started this. I am totally surprised when I checked today that I started it on November 8, 2019, which is like roughly 120 days away. And I can show you quickly what my journey was like. Honestly, like anybody else, I uploaded two videos and I thought things will work. I was getting some views, as you can see in my screen, and then things slowed down and I almost gave up. But my friends encouraged me, and some of the people were watching me. They said no, they left some comments saying you should continue uploading videos. And then, as you can see, in January I started uploading again videos. I got some help, I got some support, and then a friend of mine showed me how to get some more views and how to share your videos across forums, WhatsApp groups, and I started getting some more views. He really encouraged me to put some more videos. I put another video, and you can see I started getting some views, and with my last video you can see it's going shooting up, and yes, things started working really well. I was now totally charged up to make this channel a big success. I can just quickly show you. If you look at the stats, this is my channel, and I can tell you actually the one secret that I did was improving thumbnails. You can see this is my first video that was posted like 4 months ago, and it only have 326 views. Whereas you see these videos which have nice thumbnails, you can see they're getting like 4,000 views and 1,000 views. So this is one of the trick that worked for me. I'm very glad a friend of mine told me about this trick, and I followed his advice and I did what he said. Here is one of my videos that is getting the most views. As you can see, this was uploaded on November 12th. It has already got 4,000 views, and this is one of my videos which is doing very good. My friend helped me to know about two apps which are really, really very helpful. One is called TubeBuddy, which is, you can see here, it shows me all my different things that I'm doing with the video. It shows my channel views, subscribers, and also helps me with the tag, which is very important. If I can quickly show you here, if I click here, you can see that this particular video I have put tags which are like very much searched by the users, and that's why you can see this video is doing so well. I can actually quickly show you a little bit more stats on my one of this video which is doing so well. You can see I started has always got consistent views because I put the right thumbnail, I made a good quality video, the audio was good, and you can see the watch hours, and this is one of the videos that got me 266 subscribers. And yes, this video actually helped me few days back get my 6,000 views. So that was my journey towards 500 subscribers and 6,000 views. If you leave a comment and share a video that you think you have made and you want my help on improving, I will watch your video. I will fully watch your video, and I will leave in your comment what you can improve. If you leave a comment, I'll go and visit your channel, check it. Things what do you want to know about? Do you want to know about the app that I showed, the TubeBuddy? Or you want to know about how I did tags, or you want to know about how I did thumbnails, I will be more than happy to help. Again, thank you so much, guys, who all watched our videos, who all helped me, who all subscribed to me. I'll keep this journey now going here, and hopefully I'll see you on our next milestone. Thanks again for watching.